Okay, this is my business management internship presentation. I did this in the summer session 2018. So I want to talk briefly about selecting and obtaining the internship. So my internship was actually a full-time job that I got through a friend. Started as a part-time internship, which I counted as the intermediate internship, and it led to this full-time opportunity. So I've been working full-time, going to school part-time. And ultimately, I really value this internship because I've gotten some valuable experience in Microsoft Project. Some applications I've been able to see in productions and operations management class. We learned about project management and critical path methodology, using project management tools and understanding those concepts. We've been implementing some new software at work, and so I've been able to apply those principles through Microsoft Project. During organizational effectiveness, we read 7 Habits for Highly Effective People and The Anatomy of Peace. And so I've learned to listen for understanding. So I've definitely applied that at work in customer service situations, but also working with my coworkers, and it's made things a lot better for me. It makes it easier to get along with people when they know that you're listening truly because you're interested in them and want to understand them. So this plays into my future plans pretty well, actually. My goals are to work in the aerospace industry in project management, so operations, production, research and development, basically designing, building, and producing airplanes, rockets, satellites, jets, that kind of thing. I'm looking for work in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Denver, or Seattle. I actually just today interviewed with Boeing for a job in Seattle. I think that went well, based very largely on the experiences that I've gained through this internship, through this job. They've helped me a lot to present some project management skills to them, and they seem to think that was valuable. So we'll see where it goes. Advice to future interns: bloom where you're planted, do the best wherever you're at, learn as much as you can, try and take as many opportunities and assignments as you can, and learn as much as you can from those situations. And then don't take any experience for granted, both good and bad. Everything can play to your benefit if you are willing to learn from it and grow from it. And most of all, have fun. Some of the best mentorships and networking opportunities I've gotten have come because I was willing to shoot the breeze with a coworker, or just be myself and enjoy myself and enjoy my coworkers. So just have fun with it. There's some cool opportunities, and if you don't have fun, it could be a wasted opportunity. So that's my advice, and that's my internship presentation. Thanks.